Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to another Salad Sunday. Today I'm going to make a really simple chickpea salad with onion and yogurt. I say yogurt, you say yogurt, some of you, or curd even. Really beautiful, this one. Now I like to eat this when I'm eating a curry, like a nice spicy curry or biryani. Very simple, let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is some chickpeas. I'm using from a can, so there's about 2 cups there or so, maybe just over. If you're using from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water, rinse them through. I'm using white onion. Now I like a lot of onion in this. You can adjust the onion amount. I mean, in fact, you can adjust all of it if you want. So I'll cut that nice and small as well, along with a cup or just over of cucumber. Here we've got 170 grams of curd or yogurt, whatever you call that. That's just a plain type. A little bit of cilantro, 1 lime, you could use lemon just for a little squeeze in there. A little bit of salt and pepper, job done. So we've got a little mixing bowl. Let's add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. If you want, you can get some cumin powder in here or something like that, but I like it just simple like this. Then I'm going to go in with the cucumber that I've cut nice and small. The onion, like I say, I like quite a lot of onion in there, but you can adjust that. A little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. Little squeeze of lime, a little bit of lime juice in there, or lemon. And then the curd, yogurt, whatever you call that. Going to give that a mix, back in a moment. Okay, and there we have it. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. Like I say, that's beautiful when I eat a biryani or a curry, something like that. Have a happy Salad Sunday. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.